Artarian served as a battle brother of the Black Templars prior to and during the Hellsreach Crusade. His initial years spent as a Thunderhawk gunship pilot, Artarian would fight during the Vinculus Crusade and Battle of Fire and Blood. Being the last pilot to leave the battlefield, Artarian would rescue High Marshal Lodoldus, Reclusiarch Mordred, and their sword brother Grimaldus from the collapsing fortress. Subsequently from this action, Grimaldus would bear immense trust and camaraderie with Artarian, recruiting him into Squad Grimaldus to serve as his standard bearer. Often quipping jokes laced with gallows humour, Artarian would come to rely on his battle brothers often during battle, due to sacrificing one hand to hold Grimaldus's banner aloft. A somewhat quiet presence, Artarian would nonetheless give counsel to Grimaldus and the members of the Reclusiasm Command Squad. Standing beside his brethren during the defense of the Temple of the Emperor Ascendant, Artarian would be the last of Squad Grimaldus to fall in battle. Ever Grimaldus's shadow, he would die beside his Reclusiarch, his final utterance a final farewell to his battle brother of countless crusades and battles.